Let's get you out of here, okay?
Come on, T-Rex, take a look at this! Woohoo!
It's working, here comes T-Rex. Where is Despicable G anyway?
You haven't seen those park rangers running around here, have you, by any chance?
Time for you to disappear.
Woohoo, man.
Home sweet Dino HQ.
Yeah, we're back home at Dino HQ, huh?
Just like it was yesterday.
Yeah, man, that trip to England was good, but it's always nice to be back at good old Dino HQ, huh?
Did you hear that?
Yeah. I don't know what that was. It sounded pretty close, didn't it?
Yeah, maybe it's Dino feeding time.
Oh yeah, it is Dino feeding time. I'm sure they're hungry.
Exactly.
Okay, we better go feed the dinosaurs.
Okay, here, let me put away my suitcase.
Oh, okay. Okay, here, take mine too.
Oh, it's about to be a wreck.
All right, it's feeding time, dude. Here we go. What?
Don't go in there.
What do you mean, don't go in there? Here, let me go in there, okay?
Oh, you'll see.
You do not want to go in there.
I told you.
That sounded like a dinosaur. I think it is a dinosaur.
Yeah.
But there can't be a dinosaur in the garage. No, don't open it, don't open it. It's too scary. Oh, yeah, come on closer, come on closer. Okay. There's something in there, and we don't know what it is. So we gotta find a way to figure out what's in there.
I know.
What?
The monitor, the security cameras, you know.
That's right, the ones we just put in. Okay, let's go
Yeah.
call it up here in the control center. Okay, call it up here, huh? Okay.
It's T-Bone the T-Rex.
Yeah, what's T-Bone doing in the garage?
I don't know.
How on earth did he get in the garage?
He's going towards the tanks.
You're right.
Uh-oh.
If he eats those, he'll have the worst case of dinosaur heartburn in history. Okay, we gotta get him out of there somehow. So I tell you what, I'll go around and open the garage door and he'll run right out, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, but I need a sleepy dark blaster for this mission, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. All right, see what's in the old sleepy dark cabinet here, huh? All right, I see that one. That's a little big. Those are a little small. Hey, this is just right, I think, right there.
Come in, Park Ranger Jay. We need backup for this. The T-Rex is in the garage.
Sorry, Park Ranger OB, but I'm not here today. Hey, dude.
I thought she was at the old Dino HQ.
No, I'm the backup today, okay?
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
I'll take care of it. All right, anyway, I'm gonna use this sleepy dart blaster and go take care of T-Rex, okay? All right, I'll be right back. You keep an eye on me. I'm gonna go take care of T-Rex, okay?
Oh, no. Hurry up, man.
Okay. Okay, T-Rex. I know what you're doing in the garage, but we're gonna get you out, okay? We're not gonna open this quickly enough. Okay, T-Rex. Let's get you out of here. Come on, T-Bone. Time to go.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Park Ranger.
Oh, yeah. Come on, T-Bone. Let's get you out of here, okay?
Yeah, he got it. Get out of there, Park Ranger. Hurry.
Whoa. Okay. Did it work? Is he gone? Is he gone?
He's not leaving.
Come on, T-Bone. Go out of the garage.
Oh,
Oh, why is he staying in there?
I
Okay.
don't know.
Good. Oh, man, we gotta get T-Bone out of there fast. We need a plan.
I got a plan up my sleeve.
You do? What is it? What is it? What is it, Park Ranger OB? So what's the plan, man? What's the plan?
You'll see.
Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing with that, huh? Park Ranger OB, man, come back!
Coast is clear, man.
Okay.
You're about to make it not clear.
Okay. What's the plan?
You'll see the plan.
I'll see. Why do I gotta wait? Show me the plan. Show me the plan. Ooh, watch out with that thing. You're gonna get me with it.
Here it is.
Wait. Is this part of the plan?
Yeah.
What is the plan?
Okay, whenever I say go, take the smoke lure and run up the road and deploy it.
Okay. I guess I'll be ready.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to hold that for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be there. Okay.
You make sure T-Rex doesn't get me.
Okay. Here, you want me to pick her in the corner, make sure she's not waiting for you?
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Wait. I need this.
Oh, yeah, sleepy dart. That's a good idea, yeah.
Run. Me and the sleepy dart fella.
Here. Shh. Let me check for T-Rex, okay?
If T-Rex is there, I'm gonna gun it.
No, you're good. You're clear. Go for it.
Come on, T-Rex, take a little bit of this. Woohoo!
Ooh, park ranger, be careful, man.
Just a little bit of this. Yoo-hoo! Go, Park Ranger, go! Oh, here comes T-Rex! Oh, got a bug in my eye! Uh-oh!
I gotta hide. This'll work right here. Oh, gotta get out of here. Come on, T-Rex. It's working. Here comes T-Rex.
It worked!
Come on, T-Bone. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, there goes T-Rex. It worked.
See you later, T-Bone. Now back to Dino HQ. Meet up with Park Ranger OB.
Oh, wait. Better go back to Dino HQ.
Okay, let's check out the garage.
Yeah.
It's empty.
Yeah.
And T-Bone didn't even come back, did he?
Woohoo!
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
We got an empty garage now.
Yeah.
Good job. High five there.
How did he get in there in the first place?
You know, I was wondering that too. How did he get in there?
Maybe it was because of Despicable G.
Yeah, maybe Despicable G left him in there.
Yeah, he's always trying to trick us.
Wait, where is Despicable G anyway?
Yeah, I don't know. Wait, I thought he was with you at the airport.
No, I thought he was with you at the airport.
Wait, you were with me and I was with you.
Yeah, that's true.
And we didn't see him.
I wonder where he is.
I don't know.
Where did those guys go now? Park Rangers, you out here?
There. These park rangers won't know what hit them with these new hybrid dinosaur eggs.
Park Rangers. Oh, there's somebody with a nice black cloak on. Let me go and ask him.
There.
Hey, partner, you haven't seen... Oh, that's a good set of teeth you got there. Oh, should give me some of those. You haven't seen those park rangers running around here, have you, by any chance?
No.
I've been looking for them all morning and they just seem to have disappeared. Oh, yeah, we're also looking for some other strange-looking individual with a black cloak and a mask or something. You haven't perhaps seen him?
No.
No? Oh, it just looks like everybody's disappeared.
Disappeared. Now
Yeah,
that's a good idea. Time for you to disappear.
Oh, okay.
Now, for me to disappear.